ba re ga re fitlha fela ne re utlwa mane batho ba re dumedisa ba re Thobela.
Yeah.
And then obviously Thobela le yona radio station it's a bigger station ko Polokwane
Yeah.
le gona yanong e mo Joburg in fact everywhere,
Yeah.
you know. And ra utlwa gore no man, so we had this thing ya gore re created dipina nje re le mo tseleng, you know. Like you were asking me how Leona, it's about time if it recreated it's about time and really on our way to the show na pina that time we didn't have anything re imitatable SWV libo JD a lot of artists libo Brenda Fassie. Then we decided no man, let's create our own song. So on our way to the performances, that's when we created It's About Time le Thobela fela yalo. So ga re fitla fela ko stationing sa Thobela FM ko Polokwane but na ba re gore ba gwera Thobela Thobela. And then that's what motivated the song gore re create pina ya gore Thobela, because there's no way gore o tlo bookiwa ko Polokwane every single weekend mara ga ona pina for batho ba ko Limpopo.